In this video, we will learn how to use convection mode in an LG microwave. Convection mode is used for baking, roasting, grilling, and crisping food. First, turn on the microwave. Next, press the cook mode button 3 times. You will see the fan icon and the temperature setting displayed on the screen. The temperature is set to 180 degrees Celsius by default. You can change the temperature by rotating the control knob. If you want to set the cooking time along with the temperature, press the start button once after setting the temperature. Then, rotate the control knob to set the desired cooking time. Finally, press the start button again to activate convection mode. Now we have learned how to use convection mode in LG microwave.